Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the browser and device. Open Chrome and make sure it's updated. This ensures the offline game files and caching work. Once done, confirm you have at least 100 to 200 megabytes free so assets can be stored. To save time, close heavy apps and enable downloads if prompted. You'll need a working internet connection for the initial fetch, but after caching, you'll be able to play without a network. Now you cache the game. With internet on, navigate to the offline game page, play a short session to force the service worker and files to download into cache. Make sure you interact with menus and start levels so all assets are fetched. Once done, open Chrome DevTools, go to Application, then Cache Storage and confirm the game files are present. If files are missing, reload and repeat interaction until the expected assets appear in cache. You finish by testing offline. Turn off Wi-Fi or mobile data and reload the game page. Play a full round to confirm functionality. If it fails, make sure Service Worker is active and cache entries exist. Unregister and re-register the worker, then recache while online. Also verify storage permissions and available space. If problems persist, restart the browser or device, repeat the caching steps, and ensure you didn't use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.